Yo guys, what's up? Here with a new YouTube video, and today we will be installing something so we don't get a speeding ticket anymore. Why don't you just stop speeding? Why don't you just shut the But no, today we will be installing a radar detector because I got pulled over in the Z. I don't have a clip, but I got pulled over. So what do? You don't stop speeding. No, you do stop speeding, but you buy a radar detector. So today in this video, we will be installing a radar detector, and I bought the Udin. I don't know how to pronounce it again, but the Udin R3. I will leave a link in the description below. And I bought the mount for the rear mirror, and I bought cable so we can hardwire it. So we'll see if we can hardwire it, but if not, we'll just plug it in with the cigarette lighter. But I think we can figure this out. So yeah, so here is it. I'm excited to install this, the Udin R3. Can you bird shut up? And yeah, let's figure this out. And right here is the hard wire and the put on the rear mirror. So yeah. So like again, chat, this is not a tutorial, okay? So I think first we're gonna start with the mount and the hard wire, okay? And so we'll figure this all out, okay? I have no clue how this electrical works. So, but yeah. Okay, we gotta figure it out. I hope you can see it, but the ground is in the middle at the bottom, and the power is on the right. And it works. When I plug this in, it starts. So now let's put on the mirror thing, and then we're good to go, honestly. Okay, now the radar detector is on, like plugged in. So yeah, now we just gotta clean it up, put my dash cam in again, and just clean everything up, and yeah. And yeah guys, this was a very short video and very short install. Went quite easy. The hard wire was kind of struggling, but I figured it out. So this was not a tutorial, so watch a tutorial please if you want to do it. But I'll leave the link for the mount and the radar detector in the description below. And yeah, I can't give a review about it yet because I haven't driven yet and hasn't gone off yet. But in the next video I probably will. And yeah, so like always guys, love you guys, and peace out.